Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi 13 Pro. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, inside find Firefox and install it. Then when it's ready you'll be able to open a browser. Here we can continue with notifications. Let's do that and allow them as well. Now choose your theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.